This is one of those perfect moments. The morning is fresh, but not cold. The sun, now low, will rise up and shine all day in a bright blue sky, untroubled by clouds. There are a few clouds at this early hour, but they are small and round, and are already dispersing into invisibility. Nothing dark and glowering, no aeroplane trails. I've moved my chair into the sun. It's going to be a hot day. I'm on the west coast of France at a slightly overpriced campsite. There's no one else around, though just 1 month ago, tents, caravans and campervans would have been crammed cheek by jowl into this small area of grass plots, each one 40 or so square metres and hemmed in with high hedges. It is old-school French camping and I love it. I also love the fact that almost every town and village has a campsite like this. You rent your little plot and do what you like. Mostly that means you make a home of your holiday abode, putting out tables and chairs, a washing line, perhaps a barbecue. I prefer France out of season, and September seems to have the best weather-peacefulness balance. The weather this August was terrible, according to locals. I have come to think of August as the February of the summer, often an unsettling turning point between seasons. But if September has got its act together and settles into mellowness, it can be a golden month. The stirred-up Atlantic becomes calmer and clearer, the wind drops, and everything relaxes.